Maybe you've seen the Morse code keyboard that's a part of the Gboard keyboard app in iOS, and it provides for a dot key, gives you an E, or dash key, gives you a T. What we'd like to know is if we have trouble pressing those locations on the actual iPad screen itself, can we use two external switches for the Morse code? And to do that, we're going to use the recipes feature in switch control. So switch control is part of the iOS operating system in the accessibility settings, and we'll go into switch control. Switch control is not on right now, but it's where I can create the recipe. So I create a new recipe. I'll need to go back to my regular keypad to switch Morse. Each switch is going to use a custom gesture. So one of the switches is going to tap in the location where the dot is on that keyboard. So I hit for switch 1 a custom gesture, and I've got to do it fairly quickly. So I do press that spot and stop, save that, and then I go to switch 2, assign a switch, a custom gesture, press that spot and stop, save, and there I've got my gestures programmed in, and my recipe is all set to use. I will need to be in switch control to use it, but once I'm in that, we'll see in another video how we can test the recipe and see if it worked.